birds. Birds belong in the animal kingdom because they are multicellular, heterotrophic, and eukaryotic. They belong to the phylum Chordata, and they are also a vertebrate in the subphylum Vertebra because they have a complex backbone. They have four-chambered hearts and adapted lungs for flying, and they are some of the most diverse of all land vertebrates. Birds can range in size, for example, from hummingbirds to ostriches. Like mammals, birds are endothermic, and they need a great deal of care during embryonic development and after hatching. But birds also have many reptilian-like features. Because they evolved from reptilian dinosaurs, they also feature amniotic eggs and scales covering their legs. Unique to birds alone are feathers. Feathers serve two functions. One, they serve to insulate the body, and two, feathers help birds fly.